Hello, this is Mohsen, the portfolio manager of Fortune Group of Companies. Today, we're gonna visit one of the luxurious projects in Bahçeşehir, Strada. So, follow me. Okay, here we are. This is Strada. So let's get to the location and accessibility first. Strada is located in Bahçeşehir, and as you can see, you can find this street right by the projects. All these first units by the street will be shops, totally 779 shops, in which you can find all the facilities you need. Even you can have the banks, notaries, laundries, shops, coffee shops, and everything, as well as the social facilities that the project provides. It will be Turkish hammam, sauna, jacuzzi, and fitness salon, and everything. Even the pools they have, one for the women and the men, and they have also one swimming pool which everyone can use it. So let's get to the project. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks starting from A block to F block. The first one, A block, will be a hotel which provides you with all the facilities inside and around the project. And block B, C, D, E, and F will be the residential. Starting from 1+1 apartment to 4+1 apartment and duplex on the last floors. People who will be living here will have access to the metro in less than 3 months from now, which will be provided to that place with the private shuttle from this project. Means without paying any money, use the shuttle to get to the big Grand Bazaar, and from there to the metro, and from there we can easily have access to Tem Highway, E5 Highway. From here to E5 Highway is less than 15 minutes, let's say, and from here to the airport, again less than 20 minutes, and you have access, as I said, to Tem Highway, Metrobus, and other areas. Okay, so let's see the apartments then. Okay, here we are at the sample apartments. The first apartment will be 1+1. The material will be the same as the real apartment. You need the tiles, walls, and everything. Okay, let's see the 1+1. Okay, this is 1+1 with 58 square meter gross. As we enter, you can find the kitchen on my left side. This will be the saloon, big one, with the good height of the ceiling, which will be 3 meters and 20 centimeters. On my right side, you can find the toilet, and also a big closet for almost everything in it. The bedroom will be here. It's big enough to have one big closet and also we can say queen size bed. But the thing that I like personally about this apartment, if you look at the tiles, they are made of the real wood. And the height of the ceiling, which is, as I said, 3 meters and 20 centimeters, make this apartment more spacious. And the things, the last but not as I can say, the least one, will be the materials. Means, if you look at this kitchen appliance, all of them are Siemens, and even the doors, the wallpapers, and everything you can find here are high quality, which you can find rarely in any project in Istanbul. Okay, the next stop will be our 2+1 apartment in Strada. Actually, this is one of my favorite apartments in this project. As you enter, you can find the saloon with great lighting from here. in a balcony and one big window from here. And the ceiling's height will be around 3 meter 30 centimeter, which is quite big for 2+1, which makes this apartment really spacious. Big enough to have one dining table in here, one in a balcony, and also one in your kitchen. You have one big closet in here, and one special place for your washing machine in here. And the kitchen, actually, which is my favorite part in this apartment, will be here, which gives you an access to the balcony, to the guest room, we can say, or the entrance, and great lighting with the height, good height of the ceiling. And the next stop will be the bathroom in here and the first room in here. The bathrooms are big enough as well as the rooms. And the final room in this apartment will have our master bedroom. You can find the bathroom in here, a big space for your closet in here, which actually you can design it as you prefer, and this big space will be for your bedroom. And as I said, the ceiling height is quite good, which makes this apartment more spacious. Actually, I'm going to mention these things because these are really important, and actually my favorite points. You can rarely find any 2+1 apartment with this big area in any project. Here we are at the last sample apartment, 3+1. As we enter, you can find this big closet on my left side, and the kitchen will be on your right side. This is actually a closed kitchen, but it has an access to the balcony. From here, you have around 15 square meter balcony, big one, for a good dining table, and as well as comfortable seats. You can have it in your balcony. And this will be the saloon, big one, which is connected to the balcony as well, and a good ceiling height. Okay, our first room on my right side will be the kids' room, as well as the banyo we have here, or the bathroom we can say, which is quite big for 3+1 bathroom. And you have this special place for your washing machine. And here, the next room. And the last but not the least, the master bedroom. The master bedroom is quite spacious. You have your own bathroom in here, big one, as well as a separated place for your clothing and changing. You have big area for the king size bed, as well as one seat, your we can say closets. Everything will be good space for them in this big master room. Okay, this project has 3 types of apartment. 1+1 is starting from $110,000, 2+1 is starting from $180,000, and 3+1 is starting from $220,000.